Hello, it's Colin again from Drone On. I've started to notice a few problems with the Avata 1 when I'm flying with the motion controller. Just watch how it dips here on a turn and seems to lose altitude. I'll play that again in slow motion. Okay, not very evident, but look at this one. But other times it flies perfectly. I took it to the Horseshoe Falls in North Wales and wanted to get a nice slow fly over the water. I've flown over water many times before without any problems. I was avoiding the branches that were sticking out. A nice slow flight, frightening ducks. Then this happened. It just stalled for no reason. I'll show you that again. Nothing around it at all and had a full signal. So I decided to fly back. On approaching the weir, I tried to gain height, but it started acting weird again and its nose hit the water. I managed to pull it up and get out of trouble. I'll rewind that. I got it back and decided it must be the props, so changed them. I took it out again, but this time not over water. Again, a nice easy flight. It stalled again. No obstructions and not near the ground. I'm also having problems lining it up for a gap. Look at this, no wind, but I'm struggling to get a good line. Never had that problem before. I don't know what the problem is yet. I will set it back to default and test it again. I'll let you know what happens. Thanks for watching.